Alright, well, I just made it out here in the woods. It's hot, humid, and I've been out in these woods a lot. There's about 4 or 5 cellar holes that we found so far out here, and I keep finding new stuff, and that's what I want to show you right over here. Took the wheeler out here today, loaded it up. But this has me interested right here. See these stones right there? It lines up all the way across. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it almost looks like a filled-in foundation. Goes back into there, wraps around over here. See 2 stones right there, but it comes up and turns this way. And there is a foundation that way, about 150 yards. And you got this field over here, and up on that hill. Take my sensitivity, I don't know, about 90-ish. 88, it seems quiet. Discrimination level, maybe about 15, 16. Number of tones for now, 3. And I'm going to run around this area to see what kind of metal we have, because I'm curious if it is. See the numbers about 70, 80s, right in there, right in that spot. And right there's that depression. What is that, Schaefer? Little Bruja cap? Bruja. Like I said, I mean, this place. And another quick dig is a newer penny. Mosquito. Alright, since I've been here more and more, past few minutes, I'm seeing more bricks right around here. See those bricks? So I am thinking that depression is a cellar hole. Maybe just filled in by loggers or somebody. Well, it was just some random big chunks of iron. Rocks here, some small ones, but good signal. Boy, this hole is full of rocks. Alright. Stinking Lincoln. Can you believe that? It's a memorial. Alright, Rob. A lot of newer garbage here. That one's not too bad. I'm ringing 79. Get off me, mosquito. Alright, getting a little better. It's a wheat penny. Not sure if I can get the date off it right now. But that's good. I can live with that. Won't be the first or last one. See that hole? I don't get it. That hole, 3 inches deep. I bring my detector over. Hear that? It was getting like the overload signal. So I'm like, oh, it must be something big. No, it's a large scent. 2-3 inches deep. That is cool. Don't know what kind it is yet, but I'm pumped. Because if you look at me, I'm probably sweating my butt off. There's United States 1 cent. Cool. Well, that made my trip out here. My last dig was a wheat penny, which is kind of crazy because I mean I'm about 2 miles. All right, it's a 22 shell. Nothing spectacular there. Boy, that was annoying. I just spent about 5 minutes to find this bullet shell. Whew. But, yep. Good times. And here's my first signal right now. It's reading about 60s, mid 60s. Usually bullet shell range. 4 or 5 inches deep. Probably bullet shell. Sure enough, it's a bullet shell. But alright, I'm going to keep it moving because this isn't too exciting. Alright, got a decent little hit here. High 70s. Well, it's a relic. I'm not quite sure what they would have used that for. Get over here! I don't know. Pretty cool though. I'll throw that in the backpack. Alright, well, at this site, you can see I was competing with a lot of some bullet shells and stuff, and that's my button range. So, I'm going to move up the road a little bit, do a little bit more exploring. If I don't find anything, I'm going to go back to another cellar hole that I know. But, I dug a lot of bullet shells and I didn't find any buttons, so I'm going to put those back in the pocket and scoot up the road. But here, I found a wheat penny, a newer penny, and a large cent, so not bad. I was here for about maybe an hour and 20 minutes. And like I said, alright, well, I'm wondering if this is the cellar hole down here. See this divot down in here? Got some old rock right there. Hey, there's the trail. Some other rocks. And I think there's a stone wall over there. I don't think I can zoom in. Four-wheeler, she's getting tired. I was all uphill. Air cooled. You know. But yeah, I mean, that's a pile of rock. I'm wondering if it was right in this depression right here. Well, I'm going to scout around and take a break. So, whoa, heck yeah, bricks. That's my sign right there. This is it. Footer or something. So I'm going to do some detecting here. There's a cute little guy. Hey buddy, little toad. It's a good sign. Nice little iron buckle. Boy, the bugs are worse out here than the last place. I was kind of nervous. I wasn't getting any signals really, except for small iron. Cool. Alright, using the 3-tone, I'm right next to all these rocks. Getting a solid 60s, mid 70s. Later. Nice piece of pottery. Look at this, some old glass. That was what I was digging, that high tone. I'm not sure what it is. It's iron. It's a buckle maybe. Cool. This place has potential. I like to keep these little pottery things. Alright, I really like this. It's running 79.80, solid back and forth. Half cent, hopefully? Let's see. I mean, I'm not gonna get my hopes up, but 81 solid, 80. Well, alright, I was wrong. It wasn't my coin. It was a nice little brass copper buckle. Nice find. I'm not gonna complain there. Nice relic. Alright, there's my first button of the day. Looks like a pewter one actually. Slightly concaved. It was deep. Probably at least 8 inches or so. It wasn't a shallow one. Button buckle. Now I'm looking for a coin. Oh, I can't believe how deep stuff is here. That was a good 9 inches at least. And that kind of sucks because the coins, geez, they might be even deeper. Looks like a button. I don't know, one junked up button. Bugs, but it's small. Cool. Alright, looks like I got 2 of the same button. A little concaved shank. Nice. It's right there. Cellar hole's up that way, so I keep walking down there. Alright, there's the well. Finally stumbled across it. Old wall running up there. I'm going to give this place about another hour and a half, and then I'm going to bolt. Been here for a while out in the woods. I'm feeling pretty ripe. Alright. Been out here for a while and I'm feeling like it. I got this good reading this time, unlike the last one that I had like 80-81 and it was a buckle. This sounds pretty good. But you just never know. I mean, that's you know, 87, 88, 89, 6-7 inches. Right next to that little poison ivy plant. Little bastard. I'm kind of hoping this is my coin because I kind of want to get out of here. But if it's not, I will keep digging. I mean, that's got to be it. That's 87, 80, 89. I mean, that's my coin. There's my curtain call, guys. See that? Oh, it's like I almost don't want to touch it. Is it a thick button? Is it a coin? I mean, I'm pretty sure it's a coin. I haven't had buttons that usually ring up that high. Just to get reference where I am. Oh, and it is a beauty. It's an 1805 drape bust. Wow, mosquitoes. That one's gonna clean up really good too. It's in nice shape. Alright, well, I'm all packed up and I'm gonna get out of here. Mosquitoes are out. I found my 2 coins. I'm happy. I found this new little cellar hole today. They ain't kidding when they say steep.